In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily hide friends on Snapchat. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Snapchat app. Once it's done, tap right here to go to your chats. Then search for a person you would like to hide, and now here we got a couple of options. If you just wanna hide a conversation with some user from your chats list without removing a conversation and without blocking a user, you can easily do so. To do that, just long press at a conversation. Then here tap at Chat and Notification Settings. After that, select Clear from Chat Feed, just like that. This will clear the conversation from your feed. Keep in mind that it will not delete any saved or sent messages in your conversation. To continue, hit right here at Clear. As you can see, conversation is now hidden. However, if later on you decide to send a message to that user, you can easily find him using search. Then just enter their name here. That's how we can easily find that user, and then we can easily, by sending a message, bring that conversation back to our chats list. However, guys, if you want to completely hide a conversation from your chats list, then you may try to block a user. To do that, long press at a user, then select Manage Friendship, and then hit Block. To continue, we need to confirm this action by hitting right here at this button. As you can see, conversation has just been removed and we have actually blocked that user, and now we won't get any messages from them. However, there is also a way how we can unblock a user if later on we change our mind. We need to tap right here at our profile picture, then tap at that gear, and then we need to scroll down all the way until at Privacy Controls we'll find Blocked Users. If we get right here, that's where we can find all the users we have blocked on Snapchat. Here is the user we have recently blocked, and to unblock him, all we have to do is just tap right here and then confirm it. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.